Wow, a very good evening to you, wherever you're watching me live. Indeed, today happens to be on the 19th of March 2025. Mekyia mu nyinaa nwummerɛ enim sɛ baabi a obiara no asomdwie nkwa na ɔde te hɔ. Onya live telecast yi a na wahyɛ ama me na ayɛ fɛfɛɛfɛ. Mekyia nkranfoɔ, yɛbɛdi nkɔmmɔ ketewa bi. Mekyia nkranfoɔ, mekyia kumasefoɔ, mekyia Americafoɔ, mekyia Canada, mekyia Germany, Italy, Spain, UK. What else? Mekyia obiara. My regards to everybody. Ebedi nkɔmmɔ ketewa bi, just 30 minutes nkɔmmɔ na ya metwa so. Doreen, it's saying, my sweetest. Josephine Boating, it's saying, Bibia Eboko. My son Richard, Amajman, Nade, Yabuati, Namuna, more online na. Wow, it sounds good. Kolekwa Joe Iva Dubuahin. Why, you people, don't you sleep? Richmond Asari. Greetings to you all. Share this live telecast into any of the groups that is highly dedicated for OPATAFUOR and then Zenith of Heavens at large. Adamona. Asa mo tite wo BBC. Dia me di mu na no asa mo ani aba mo so. Oh, it sounds good. It sounds good. It sounds good. Bishop Belinda Brown. Bishop, let's say, so mommy, I believe so. US for here. Oh wow, it sounds good. I feel Michiam Eunice, Michiam Beneza, Michiam Tony Silas, Michiam and we didn't come and then you can't do it me a jar and walk on that. Why? Well, if you have something important doing, just go and do it, right? Ajimai. Dr. Odru, Doc, not to say, I don't know. Is about say eat something and answer 9 UK. How far? Wow, make sure you know you Nyame aduma Thursday. Some of you might say Thursday, it's happening live on Ryme TV. If you haven't subscribed, go there and give us a terms of subscription. And most importantly, when you do subscribe, what you're going to do for us is that click on the notification bell so that when we upload a new a video or a new program, you'll be notified. So that's all. Code Row. Wow. I see about 8-7. And you know more time here, perhaps about 8-7 p.m. And if you've not subscribed to Ryme TV, the Ryme TV is spelled like this: RIME. Then you add the TV to it, TV. Ryme TV. O search it. Unya boshemo YouTube ina and the beba face. Cause Ryme TV anywhere what YouTube or YouTuber or a lot of subscribers to saying. Until unya bo Ryme TV. Go there and subscribe after the program, or you can go there right now and subscribe. The Ryme is RIME. Then you add the TV to it. And to go and what the brofon ko ayen katwi and to Mr. Sa on tebrofwa and ko what the on tebrofwa na ya na ye mbotwi ampesi. Nemom o tebrofo kama na de ebeka bia obeti ase a ko Ryme TV na ko subscribe se ne be ya bibia be kama echina ebedi nkomo ho ebe share exactly 8 o'clock p.m. na yedi nkomo ho enti mechiache obia anwumre mechia Ghana for the titiriu and cry Kumasi, Takrade, Tema, Cape Coast, Sunyani, Volta region. And then baby aka nzemafo so mechiam se hwi me ami kromfo se hwi akontomrafo mechiam e ho ne wo me ntino. I love it so much, right? Mechiam enmire bedi nkomo kitu ebi. And then nkomo na ebedi ni de yedi afa Ghana mpanyimfo. Menka se mbedi obi atem that I'm not into that. You should understand what I'm saying. Ebedi nkomo yebekasa afa IGP ho na maka kakra de ama Ira John Mahama na maka kakra afa past government no na maka kakra ede afa emrantie mienu bi ho. Mentan obi a enti oye NPP ni na wo ha minim say NPP fo bebre ni di machi na NDC fo so bebre ni di machi. Ryme TV, we always rhyme with a reason. That's the motto. Rhyming with a reason. Ryme TV, rhyming with a reason. Just search Ryme TV, type it on the YouTube search bar. The first Ryme TV that appears, that's exactly the channel. So Ryme TV, go there and subscribe. We shall meet on Thursdays, exactly 8 o'clock p.m. And teach Yamon in common. So what brofun kwada, on te brofo dia how ubit me atana ya because I had the chinieka. Now, ebedin komo kakra afa hwan ho me bo hwan game see ebedin komo afa IGP ho na yedin komo afa the past government ene Ira John Mahama ho ene emrantie mienu bi ho ene opanyini ba ko bi honorable Kennedy Japan yeni komo me wia na me de akwankyera taato kwan abefa so a akwankyera na ye beye no hwe no wa ma obi amane onku a utie na eye jot ni o mato wa dia se e ma obi amane o me be se nipa bebrebe nya akwankyera no. So now mo amadi machi ache no se mo be kai a me ma prophecy bi me be kan say me sometimes me mpe onipa oye bosirimuka. I literally speak with facts and evidence, and that is all. I speak with facts and evidence. Say asema me kan wa kai no me kasa na odi watchro e de ato say yes me kai na bacha won kai a en sheda ntwro to say yes I don't like that anyway I dance krum but so be kai a me be kan asem bi e ma true prophecy bi na say me nkom hye no aya na ma hye na tare enti nipa bebre aya o muntimi ndikodi na o mo de o ma adwene first no 2020 2019 2020 2021 2022 2023 yeah me kan commission de to ana asofo ni binum afsesa na o ma ye say ya o mo adia enti from 2023 2024 2025 e ba nyina no prophecy bia me de be ma mo bia no say ana ma shana tare ba me na me metimi abedi kodi atare ne de akere mo. Now me be ma prophecy bi na me kan asem bi say me hu say ya to kentenkrechi samokaya na ya to no oman no sudifu so no me hu say ya to bi e de akọ oman no eso asrafo esudifu so tie ni yo me be hye nko bi na mka say me hu say ya to nkentenkrechi bi ibi akọ oman ni sudifo so ene tu bi e de call eye oman no asrafo esu panyini na ye tu nkentenkrechi no ene amete ye ne se momfa won kwa afiase tie nie ana mbe kire mo se afemi hu se kentenkrechi no mutu wie ye no tie nie o me ne wo kasa me speak with facts and evidence na mutu kentenkrechi no mi hu se oman no susudifo no eye ni krom ensuo ayira fa ho samo kaya me ka se oman no susudifo no ni krom ensuo ayiri afa ho na ensuo yiri fa ho no ma hu se ayira fa ho no ana ayiri e de afa oman no asrafo panyini no na me hu se amane ene aninguase na o mafam ho na me hu se amana bi da ho gata okay me ka se gata wo ho ana me hu se oman no susudifo no wahwim na otom no wantimi ampagya biem okay if I do boy he was say I remember Dr. Oduro yes was say I remember okay so mo kai dia no mani agi Justice Osafo Tony Silas was say yes Bishop Belinda Brown so for mama American you know say yes okay good etimbeka kire o say enam saade ni ntino ensuo beyiri physical ewo oman no susudifo no ni krom na ensuo ni yiri wia eninguase ensuo ni de ne beko eninguase ene obrem ene amane hunu ekrom na oman no susudifo no so onya sunwie ono so nanim begu ase na ono de nanim gu ase no ebe chen obi a obedi oman no su da e wa asrafo famu nyina se mo kaya Stella Champions yes Benjamin me dem me cancel ma me the fact and evidence and a cancel Emma san commission to ho no ampa ensuo yiri fa achebi wan e kai say ensuo yiri fa achebi sa afini mu tieni o ho na me ka kire o say mahu say oman no susudifo eye asrafo panyini no ya run atare a ye bonu tutu na anim agu ase wan e kai who remembers it wan e kai okay Justice Osafo was say yes it's true here okay ene gu on meet me twantro because mumu bia mo hwe me no mo ye lawyers e be medical doctors in painful e be higher government officials me twantro me pesa me kase di wom me ni mu di nkomo kakra bi na ma free line so ko I feel like talking to my fans okay I say yes I do remember okay Robert Donko say it's true me catch them say ma who say na nadu danko akufuado oman no so esu difuo no answer my yusu Ghana nemom me be ka Ghana na me sheda ye ne say oman na nkomhyeni no free so no oman na ewo asase mfimfini no answer me sheda na kan asase no oman na nkomhyeni no free so no oman na ewo asase mfimfini enti me na me nkomhyeni no so what you say me na me yo owenfo na me wo ha no me na me free fam wo Ghana e na me wo Ghana so wo asase mfimfi ewiase mfimfi it is sometimes no prophecy no say ye sha ya na ye fura ne ntomanti ya be decode ya nkyere wa hu enti me ka kire mo say ma hu say ya tu kentenkrechi e de akọ oman ni sudifo so na ya to another kentenkrechi e de akọ oman no eso asra fo sudifo na ya to kentenkrechi mi hu say at once oman no sudifo no wato amnam na na himbotire atofo na afei asra ni de emihu se ya bɔ na dagya na ya woro na tare na ya ku na nimu ase ewo wiase nyina na mete ne se wei mumfa won kwa afiase ifiri se won adwuma nso adi saase me kan ye no etimi hu se empofiri mu wa na ensu ayiri ede afa eye oman ne sudifoɔ no ni krom na saade ni sia onka hunu se na ni nguase ontimi nyina no sa pepepe na me kan ye ana me kire mu se oman na ye ka ho asem no eye oman na e wa asase mfimfim ba bia owemfo na anudisem ni firi ni mu ba no oman a ofiri mu sa oman ni susudifo ne eso asrafo payini no eno pepepe edi meme na me ye owemfo no ena oman ni susudifo na ye president satan na nado na ye president ena IGP ena na ye oman no susudifo ye Azrani police ni a anase security sector IGP ono so hwe omo nyina so se mo kai a video no ho mo betima akɔhwe now eto nanado anase anto nanado ensuo ni yiri fa nanado danko akufu ado eye chebia bonten so ensuo ni yiri fa omo wantimi anye ho hwe ya to abawie ene obia bie nano a o se MPP a aguo no nanado danko akufu ado na aguo MPP no. I'm not into politics, but I can't be because me can't be many a times. I ain't been my dream say me NDC ni. Me mami eno me chiao. Oso OPATAFUOR ye NDC ni. Na me chire mu ka chire ne se. Me nya NDC ni na me de sa na msi bantie. Me hyankom said ye city here, mintimi for being town, and mintimi being free. Now, me bacho o mine so asra isusu difo no. Ya woro na tare anase ya woro na tare. Na ya woro na tare na nima gu ase na engu ase. Otimi resign asundwiem. Oko pension asundwiem. Wanko pension asundwiem. Ya woro na tare ana ya woro tare no. Ya woro tare ne said ye nkom hye de me kan ye de pepepe. Life and colored. Ya woro IGP atare. Na me pa cho ya woro IGP dampare na tare no. Akosi sen. Me ba cho ya woro IGP dampare na tare na akosi sen. Awu na nim gu egu ase. Enye na nim gu ase no ene hia me. But enkom hye no na me beka ho asem. IGP beti akonya no ade bi no oye ya na eye mesre every say ono di ni tumi se odifuo bi obehye nkom bia no obeche no obe arrest no odifuo bi obehye nkom bia obe arrest no just because we are IGP. Yede oman ne mra emani tumi. Oman ne mra emani tumi. Me pacho enkom na me share no akosi se. Ewura dampare. Minim say dey video e bi beba be true ba bia wo bia. Ade was so oti ase ne se aban beba aban beko aban beba aban beko police ni obey commander obey IGP obey de ben ne duru hɔ a wobɛfiri so enso so na yɛn yɛda so yɛ adiifoɔ mehyɛ Nanado Dankwa Akufo-Addo nkɔm obi a wɔ ha biara hu yɛ sɛ yɛbɛtwe Nanado aboɔ so mehyɛ Nanado nkɔm 2 times obi hu eduru mmerɛ bi kura deɛ amanfoɔ didi matem pressure ne attack e ba me so ɛne ɔhawa me fam ni nyina ya ama out ameka bayana politicians ni bi omo wa adwini bi sɛ obetena hɔ na yes okay o hyehyɛ nkɔm a sabi mprebiasa omo kakrawa na omo anya ato hɔ o pe bi adi o pe kakra firi omo ana o pe favor da bi da sɛ me opatafoɔ me pe favor bi every politician bi hɔ a me waste me time and metena ha emfa camera ensi me so em me show nkom nemom de nka meye ne se me sore ne matuka na wo politician kron ida se me ba ofie ana me ba wo office na me de madesrede abetu anim oboa me afine wa moa me afine. I think say that is the best way and can me approach you no. Nemom say yetena se. Na ye hye nkom na ye ka bibi dia. Sometimes don't intellectualize God. Don't think say you are well educated. Me kabrofo. Don't allow your position, your office to delude you and think say oh nyame bia ni wo ana say even po o join secret courts tiedie o join o ye minister o ye MP o ye president o ye police commander o ye hwan na o join secret courts empo na o grandmaster ye powerful na obi efiri baabi be hye nkom a de all kan gidi se eyentro eyedi ogidi na ko o grandmaster ho ana o spiritual head no woni ko busa ne say na obi aka fa me ho ne te say na tie die o grandmaster no obeka de a kiro se o bibi a na obetimi aya na waya afa ho but entena ho na nyesa IGP hwede wawie ye akwa koduru yanka ebia ka o ma ho kwan a enka ye mu bi ke betimi aboa IGP Dampare say enka ebia I respect you a lot. I respect you because you are a family man. I respect your wife because oh ma oh yere uwa abusia ufiri mu enti me kan se bi na me kasete awa wo mate anase wabusia te ebe ye wo mo ya sa na tie o ma ene wabusia te ebe to enti me ye type a ubohu se me kasa hash e di kire obi a which means nipa no wa ya ma na tra so ba me ka obi asem se dia da bi the catcher IGP Dampare say ye be run atare abra Akufo-Addo ato form na nsuo yira fa no na nsuo ni de ne kɔ na ɔman ni nyina ni agye na nanim agu ase no owie ya the next person ɔtoa so a me hu no spiritually say ɔno so ya run atare no ɛyɛ wo Dampare enti ye to abawie ya na Nanado Dankwa Akufo-Addo elusu ye. In the history of Ghana's election, Ubi medi MPP anim elusu same fa ninguase same mada. And MPP kuo kura ne mu ache entokwa asimu. Ni nyina ye de na Nanado Dankwa Akufo-Addo ye. Me wie ye na me obi busa me say na de na Nanado ye. and I'm catching and say or the nyame din si obesi asori dan e de ama no ana Jacob tumfuo say saa asofo na odi na asori fie e hye wo mo nsa no saa asofo no bebre omakwan ntene ebinum omakwan ntene afesuso omadi onyame sika abroma ba asori bantema abesere sika say obi meyi bi mua ama mobroni di ni sika abo ase mo di kosi cathedral ni sika no Jacob tumfuo say mwadi bi enu nti samudi ni din aye saade no na afei ama Kristo som enya kono biem because saade no mu na mo ya asofo mpanfo nti samo makwan on say David okofa Uriah yire no one ne dae Uriah e kasa tie Awurade odidi Awurade atem se wodi wono Awurade achi na afei onyame adi ni hwamo so ama obi afa ne yere nti ekun no David ma ekun no na afei ni kra e di yaw e wa Awurade anim eti abro obofo no ba ye se obeyi David aten no ka kire David say David ye wa makwan ama Awurade atamfo anya no enti mu makwan ma ye di Awurade atem ena me kato aso se saa asofo ni nyina Awurade se ebinum ade wo ma ena betuaka ebinum Jacob tumfo se ebinum ewo mu wo de wo ma na betuaka ebinum soso odi aninguase na begu omo efise mi hu se omato kantankrechi no na ebi mu doge ye na akoka omo ma ebi mu so anim aguase me pa chawo omo ana hwe cathedral ne so no mo na mo show e de na to wo mo enkom so na me say na amem sa pepepe ebi ma hu ebi ma sie omo ma life ebi so ma say ebi so anim agu ase pa yie ebi abrabo asay e wa abrabo nim efia betare ebi no ho because of asafuninti enti me pa chaw me de nya asofo na asem na hia me na de me pese be kan IGP aya mo bedi akonya aya madaroma ya munya abotre kakra de meka kire wa no oye minister ana oye MP akonya na wa bedi no nya abotre kakra na eden ya 4 years pepepe ne se to so aba utiri anya yi a ye be pamo utiri yi a na utimi retain you seat enna the least people out do ombe di agro e wo wi ase eyi obi okura tumi o yesunsun adwuma sebe sa wona na ukohia se bodam ni a wabodam na kroni nyina nim so wabodam sa ukọ baabi mpo na se bodam ni hia na okacho se baabi a ukọ ne san a sister bra san na sa emprempre no unim dia be hye bodam ni mu a enti wo kasa asam ne de kyerɛw it is a me tenase na me ka kyerɛw say na eba e mane nya o say minister ana MP o kakrawa na hye obotumanu bi na me pa di o sofu bi o woga na bia be ya zan me opatafo me nya zan da ana me nka say me pe political favor enimti me hye da be hye nkom na waba me ho na wa ma me sika kaka dabi me that thing I'm not into that omo ni menimpo no omo ni mo patafo no empresa na omo frɛ me a me mefa na nkampo apese ma begina ho se me ya azan na me hye nkom ana wo sebi wo de kakra wo abrɛ me na manya bi edi there be da me onyame wo hira me dada ewurade hira me gisade ni tu enti me bana me be hye nkomo a asema me ka kire on fa serious na enye favor bia na me hia enye favor bia na me hia se me hia favor abra honorable wo office me opatafuo me hia favor se yewura Mahama wo hoyi ana regional minister wo hoyi ana Accra Greater Accra minister wo hoyi se me hia favor I was say me took car on office ko ka kire se honorable adaroma opatafuo me hia say obetimi aboa me a no aboa me ontimi moa me anya by force na nya se me pemwa bi won honti afa na me be ya azan bi ebe creating komhye bi ana obi na ebe leak information bi di ama me na mabetena ayese urade na aka na da ka urade kura be hia me ka urade be kumi me nya bi da ze IGP dampare asema me ka kire no so na adu free ho 3 months pepe ase 2 months ne kakra also na adu 7th January and he swear new president in. So constitutionally, the former president left office on the 7th of January. The boy we had 12 pepe. And what this after in a good form. Or call you na America. And in Guasiana and Wonem. Also be a kind. And yes, and another Tiwano or buy and one may jumon. Obey adwuma na na do ye kwan anya bia enkran de was a sense city no. So the problem Nanado had was those pastors who used the name of God against the vulnerable ones in the society. Nanado could have done anything that he wishes. And commit me for money sika 80 billion euros. Yankopon fa ho da. Tieni ka nana do betimi afa 80 billion euros. And Yankopon eno nya na asem. But say omutimi di nyame din say ye we ya hye urade anim onyam. Now omutimi ma obi take something out of it no. And ne kofa problem ne buy. IGP dampare so. Me catch re o say. Wano asem ebekwa koyi uka. E wan hwe ya. Wani ngu ase ebeche obi a ogana ha. If we say me catch re o say nsuo na yira fa wo no. Onipa bia ni ho wasase we so obetimi ayi wa free say nsuo no mu da. Until now you were doing cover up publicly. Utimi ko jina near the camera see so now all direct traffic light then nyama no IGP will do that. All these things that you were doing was a cover up, right? Then ubedi akonya e ma opposition na say sofu bia ankoda sofu bia pe onkoda. No bia me gina ho meye no se ohu ade bia onkoda na mo cause fear and panic. You are causing this. Now ke kan de obeke ka wiye akosi u say is e wa fira konya no so ounya IGP biem nanso yen ye da so ye adifuo enkomsha na me share no abrabom no so achew wantimi anya ho hwe we Pentecost ni so Pentecost ofu bia ntimi antwam ama ya achew enkomsha na achew wani magu ase so enti adentina ade anka obetimi aye hu bibi na ade na wotena wo ma ade ani diw ma wani mgu ase to this point. I am who you say yes small boys on. I am who you say yes small boys me boy. I monkey and kind Bible on. I mean, Kasimbi. I am who you say a small boys, right? Elihu Kasimbi chile a Job. Busliba Elihu. Mammy Kasimbi chilo. Busliba Elihu a Job. Ye near Job ya, ye near Job ya. Okwama ni mwa. Osunye. Okasembi. Let me see if I'll get it out. Bushliba Elihu. Let me see. Yes, Job chapter 32. And I can't say me can't say me. Bibi besi was spiritually. Me can't say me actually. Job chapter 32, verse number 1 downwards. Tiasa American or say ena merima basayi jai hiyo bubua. If you say oye naniso trini Job fi say wono watene. Oh, Job say watene. Enti eduru mre bia position na wa bedie and you think say no ano. But you have forgotten yourself, say nothing is permanent. When a guy a Congo president, Mobutu Sese Seko, he commands legends, build castles to his name, enjoy the luxuries of the world. And now no, you can't fear no CSC ho. Ghana obi anu awasi safie ni bi da. Esuwu de ama me mpere me hu ajapade hu no wawu wagya Mobutu Sese Seko agya hoko wagya don Idi Amin, a man who commands territories. Even the British people, they fear him, but he's no more. Eti when you assume office in Yamiya Wadom, the way IGP dampare. We yes, we a Christo ni intino. Now ba yen so a Christo for na otan wo mo. Asofo na ogu wo manimu ase na I was shocked. Den na urade timi kasa wo IGP. Wadwuma nso nani. De ya. De nko a obi e bolding allegedly. Obi aka you say your hands are soiled in innocent blood. Ubiaka allegedly is on the internet. Nyamina meka. Aden obia nka bi. Enfama obia se unsa emoja ho. Ukoka yesi innocent person bi wawu aha. Eyeden ba yesi eyeden IGP. Media di omo kan nyina no ehiame. Di obia kan bia say IGP dampare wa ye bi ehiame. But dia me jina so amede kasa ye. Abra ya tu na na do su kentenkrechi oni asofo ne kentenkrechi wo so ye to be ba also 3 times ye to be 3 times me catch now say first one ya amane, second one ya amane, the third one no wo IGP e ba woro watare amu ani magu ase ohu amane a oni police fo no nyaye a obudu ko gina na na do ani e bo ko adu. Yes, wako kandi and dear wako G bribe be dear and dear omugu edimasia. Sadia na two na nanka was upe obi mani boaw. No who say odifo na semna okan ye no. First one aba, second one aba. And the last one na ye matari ni ebe wuro ama manima gu aso na ebe to. Tieni Job 32 verse 2 was say na busli ni Elihu a oye barake obano efri ram abusuamu ebufui Hiob na ne bufui no say obu ne ho otiri ni sine onyankopon obi wo no akonya na obedi no ofisi wa ye powerful class na urade ba ubefra konya no so na nyankopon da so tiase na nyankopon ko a da so ho nyame mfuna eda so tiase onyame adifo onyame bishops onyame evangelist uye president uye MP uye minister obe free so O de ye ma kwata 8 years pe no wa ma onsa so. Enso say nipa no obegusu ayi odifo, obegusu ayi osofo. IGP dambare. She say commission on sa achew. On say awro watare. Omo eye machidifo nyina, omo na e kan obi e confirm me. Ka kire na adom si ensuo beyidi afa chebi, ensuo ni yiri a obe lusu, no lusu election a because me ka kire say obeto form, obeto form, obeto amnam. Na obi ampeja no ensuo ni yiri a eno an obedi nkukuo. Now IGP wusu de ye wotena wa anya ho hwe wa mamane ato. Okay. De atu bia no wa wasem eno de anya me masem. De tosu biem mu a mo ha sei. Mo be kai se me ka kire mo se. Politician bi anasi ye nyina ye papa ye nyina ye nua bema. Kennedy ohine Japan. Why mistake ama sofu bi de nsa ato no so. And into 2 minutes di na chi no wa firi na chi ko. Na firi wa firi na chi ko no ye empty. Enunti nipa bi odi na asem beko no so bi obedi nkuku. Ananse obenya problem. Why na carry sa asem no. Now, why so na kai say emre bi me be hye nkom kan say eye omo a wo Ghana ha enkrofo bi won sonoma e wo omo maso sa enkrofo no be untouchable. They were built in such a way say omo ye untouchable e ma me bo eye lumba kura din wom ana me bo ona bo Kennedy Japan din wom okay. First. Me video na me okay. Reverend Adakwa, Jennifer Pia Sante, Bishop Belinda Brown, Dr. Drew Obiase and okay, which means me chantro. Now fe Obia me see Kennedy mu won sonoma. Omo untouchable no afei mi ankasa. Masa Baba catch the Kennedy Japan say. Ena mahu se osofo obi tinkan ode ne nsa to no so na bro ode ne nsa to no so no a obompa no no Kennedy akona sorry obompa ye ma no na satam na mehu se akokora no mehu se akokora na dani na chi e de ama no na akokora na ko ono bu Kennedy Japan ya we se wa ye neoma ai sa na meka no but neoma na o ye na amfa. Na me pa cho ekosi sei. Si say ona bo Kennedy Japan abrabo no hu ni sei. Ejagu chem. E say matisi yesi ya bo ka bi wa America. Ona bo Mama Kenya me so no krenchiro mental. I respect you so much. Abrabo a wabo no. Ye chemu 1,000 kra me mbo mu kota. So I respect you. But they do maybe ni aka bibi kire mu ara mo mfa. Right? No krese sika tumi ade nyina ye na nso enye sika na ye ye. Obi na obetumi atotumi. Abranche bi na ko Peter ho no ka tire Peter say Peter jisika na ma metumi na ade ye nsenkyere ni bi. Peter ka say no ka tire say fa wonu sika nyina mu nkowu. Which means untimi ntotumi. Ndi wo sika untimi ntotumi. Tumi power untimi ntotumi. Me ye den na me ka kire wo Kennedy say we untouchable na afi ma be ka kire say hey wo akokura na gya wachi kɔ ema me be ka kira wo say ye were principalities mienu bi a omo Ghana ha so one just all call mo nchen ansa na watimi di president a me kire wo say kofuo ne kotoko Oboa, me unza me kasa asa me chiro. I didn't know what's me kasa asa. Honorable, it's better you remain silent in the system. Go to wherever you want to go and build yourself spiritually before you come back to the media. Because in the realms of the spirit, Canadian Japan, you are spiritually incapacitated. They have rendered you powerless to be out the assembly to be out Lucy. Who attack you will be publicly when you be was that power. To me now who you it is not there. To honorable mental a frame of OPATAFUOR. You can choose to believe me, you can choose not to believe me. Name woman. Dear me, my catcher on where you ye. Honorable, Udin to me Pejabiemo. Udinu ain't to me Pejabim. You have just 6 months to work on yourself spiritually. After 6 months, you went to me and working on yourself. And one no Udinu akoto untimi Pejabim. Enti enye kasatintin biemo. Enye de yo. Go and sign off from the media and use that month now my country. Me say account 6 months pepepe. When to me and working on yourself, everything will sink, everything will fall apart. Koneko work yourself. Koneko yo ho spiritually. Wama akwano at the efia kan. Oni to me. Nti eye wu to me no. Utu me na ekura wo no. Osi adenti na wo no oso no okno. Na wo de ho kohye okosa asofo no so mo mpaye ma. Me here political favor. Me can't ye womb. Honorable Canadian Japan. I didn't. And now my whole crime. Am I a yell spiritually? Ya take you down spiritually. I didn't know cause as of no. I didn't know cause as of no. Nyoma nyina be jiagu honorable. Minka se ma miskao. Ana minka nchiro se bra me ho David. Honorable minka nchiro se bra me ho. Dabi ana minka nchiro se ma miska. Enye ahomaso kwaso, enidie kwaso. Se mi hia sika. Ana se mi hia favor bi a honorable. Enidie kwaso, kamedi enidie be mo anu matuka. Aba onase. Ma be catch us honorable be a common deme. Mr. Wadawroma. Minim say honorable Canadian Japan minim say we you good. Enti ka honorable o nhwe me say komunkume. Ba no kra oho. No kra oho ya anka mu no kra nkyere wo a. Minim say uwo good visions e de man nipa. Ba sisia me no kasa idea spiritually ya render powerless. Oma oni omo kokono mo ho dense no. Oma punu omo hu pa yi spiritually. Enya joke and omo jokey. And until work on yourself. You have only 6 months left. Min kan so say obe wu o da bi. Min kan bi da. Min kan bi da. Don't go and misinterpret me. Go and work on yourself. What? Na me betena ha na me kasa enye bibia na me hia free obia o. Me you all right. Me nka se me uska me but me you all right. Matale ba ko pewe na no a me all right. But go and work on yourself. If you said Uwo gold miensa bi a wose wosesa. Gold mako 3 1 2 3. Aha ye kwan ho. Intimi nka enchirechiri. Openchire mu nso afra mi amede be ma wo. Ba uwo gold miensa a wose wosesa. Ba nti wato form. Kennedy Japan, honorable, I respect you so much. Who go to me and say, what's sa? Who go to me and say, you have only 6 months to work on yourself. You have only 6 months to work on yourself. Please, Madam Roma. I know your fans respect you a lot and they love you. Don't disappoint them. You have 6 months to work on yourself. And yes, sir. Tina or Matthew, it may affect your health. It may affect your sickness. So we hear at the end also. Nessa at the end of baby, I'll be calling to me ye man. Me and my Baba catcher say a failure. Honorable Kennedy Japan, why in ye? What's happened? Why say dudu what bem? Meantime will be oh, painful. I come and say meantime will be first no almost semetana and meantime and I do meantime and I do that. But oh yeah, dear answer ready any. In this answer ready any which means mean to me in power. And honorable who will go to me and son, who will go to me and son. Who will go to me and say, who will go to me and say, who will go to me and say, work on yourself because spiritually you are empty. You are incapacitated in the rest of the spirit. Share me Thursday, our Ryme TV. Share me Thursday, our Ryme TV. Share me Thursday, our Ryme TV. Ryme near RIME. Now the TV is also. When you type in on the YouTube search bar, it will appear. Then just click on the subscription button. A whole a brofun kwan ye can yen you ye can brofun kwan ye can brofun. And you go there and subscribe. TNE honorable Kennedy Japan wadaroma. Work on yourself. Na nyesa. Who gold miensa. Efawa brabum. Secondly, you have only 6 months left. Only 6 months left. You have only 6 months left. After 6 months, and now I know say we date to war. One working on yourself and you're better. It may affect your health. It may affect your sickness. It may affect your health. Oh, ma and I will bushia. And the members of my class, Mama, I hate you. Now I hate you, bushia. But the NMC corner, and he said, yes, you I don't like it because I like you personally. Oh, dear Tosubi, Mahama, a radia can once in the actually. Na emre simun meba beka. Emre simun Mahama, Mahama, Wadaroma, Wu. Jacob Tunfu aka ho asem bi akere me. Na mre sem no me ba beka na watu ho anamo. Adaroma. Nim se me kokan NDC fo beka se hey MPP fo abone pa. Esa. Se me hwenso na ebe ha adwene a. Adaroma me kama no watu. Me nkasa biem. Ajay bi ame ko kan na ko fa time bebre di abre me. Nti me kama no atum na me nkasa biem. Yura Mahama. Ja wadaroma. Me say Radia kan ho asem kire me. Radia kan ho asem kire me. Me nka say me political favor o. There be say me political favor. What I'm supposed to do, they say, I will say, me ba wanim na mbeka kire say Yura wadaroma me hia bibi. And I say na mepe. Ntinye bibia na mepe obi onim opatafuo bi anim say I'm all right. And I'm content with the little that I have. But Yura mama, Jacob proof aka bibia kire me. Emre semu no meka kire. Na obetu ho anamo a. Na watu ho anamo nya se be diu obi antimi nye. Aya na me hye nkomo a first na me kama ne da honum na obi a twero bi na obi aka bi. Nanso enei no de nkrofo bi yenti no me kan na ma hye ho ntoma. Adi se mia na mbedi kodi. Yura mama, said you to 1 hour than a hook. You try our farmers, woman. Me say, a radiac can be actually. Nemre sim no meba be catch ro. Why? Week ya meba be catch ro. Na minya kasa asem ne kire wa you have just 7 days to work on it or else also so untimi nya ho hwe ye beto. Tienio asema me catch ro Yura mama wadaroma. Say minya kan Emma 8 days emeto so esa we ho hwie nyi yi abra Yura na nado yes say obetu hu anamon spiritually na yeka ana mo no madwene am say mukop Rome pope ho na mukokọ asofo ya omo na nyame nimu omo da binya sa na nyame ya ni oma emfa ho say akwala woti woman ntam krampo no onyankopon betimi afa no so ede na agyew and I rather be fan so aye bibidi ama. That's how things work in the rest of the spirit. Yura oba office in chair 7th January yana oba office into on the 7th January on the 7th of February or February then when you're 1 month on the 7th of March when you're 2 months on the 7th of April now when you're saying 3 months indeed on the 7th of April meba be ka de ebesi nyina kyerɛw akonya na ubedie no akonya na ubedie no aye presidency na ubedi no meba be ka de ebesi nyina kyerɛw afi bia de ebesi ensohwe ewom ani enhyire ewom ani de esese wo ye utimi diso a eno ano no me kanso na se o asofo bi ben no am se wo nkwasa asam na sabe make kanu a eno so betimi ato agu said the IGP ene na di so age no no ebi beto ebi nto me nkase bi beto ba me kire se urade na me so de nkomsha ne ba wi na me ka wi kire wo a na wantu hu anamo a ebediw mental Mahama mental sorry kafra say mabo din wie wadaro ma fa cheme Yura Mahama good that's the perfect way Yura ne di hiame kura chen wudin no nti se me ka se Yura te ase Yura enioma nye me hu ade bi pa e serious nenso emo akoma mubu ma hu bi anto so di hiane se me ka di akiro me nya ka kire wo krim ma 7 days currency ye hu adwuma fast na asumwie emra ebinum aye omo ho se abra obedi akonyen asofo ni bi aye omo so omo hu ade ebisu be ye omo se nyame nsa wo omo so ebi mo so enkrofo bi e ben wo na be leak information di amo omo na omo de abehye wo nkom ni nyina no mo ani na ho me de me ben ana me mpe favor bia me nka se bre me dollar bia ada obeti se mawu no ti ase ano abebo me nsa anu ko asa ana say na wa ye mayi asa what do you say nje ewura Mahama ne kwasem ewo mu no nkomo ho me hu ade ye serious pa na nya si a ehu enkranfo enkranfo me kan kranfo a enye enkranfo me ka enkran Greater Accra region no na me ka ho asem about 9 kobo 10 enche bia no free line so Dear Mama Madaroma eni die kwaso I respect you so much bibi wo ho wanya ebediu sana metie ebeka small boy we me be shan kwam so me fira ne ntoma said the election me fira ne ntoma obi ebibredi o ma adwene ebubu ye yetiba o mi awe ne very funny sana me be ka asem no de akere on the 7th of April and me ka asem na akere on the 7th of April and you no watching na me be ka asem no de akere chi o mu dito no to hu adamo enkranfo mo amudi machi ye kan kranfo anya enkranfo say enkranfo me ka Accra as a region mo am your OPATAFUOR fans I am on time na ade bi wo ha memo ye e wo kuro nim Greater Accra region mo am your OPATAFUOR fans bibi wo ha memo ye why bibi wo ho memo ye sene e be ya atorenchen bi e be bi nkam omo maka ndi enya me ma na metiasi the last one Kevin Taylor am ka se bi nchiro Kevin Taylor am ka se bi nchiro Kevin Taylor am ka se bi nchiro Kevin Taylor right am ka se bi nchiro papa bi oh anu ode ne ba ko school na papa no de bia ne ba ne ye bone a na wabo de bia ne ba ne ye bone a na wabo no de bia ne ba ne ye bone a na wabo no nja akwara no ko school and we class 6 and we JHS and we SS and we university Thierry Kevin Taylor what's up na me can you me kire wade I know you are smart and intelligent but I have to tell you something edi akwala ni wie school no papa na adwene ehye ni tirim ne se eye ne ba ono a na wo no enu nti said ye ne ba na nyina duru bia na awa wie university no ne ba na ye said ye ne ba na wie university no eye ono a ne ba edi akwala ni yes eye de enye no instead of papa no be kasa akire no onim sese de bia obu no firi nkwala bere mu no okwa akobu no to otene ne nsa na akwala no blockade twede no ene obo ni pra no akwala bi wanyini ehunu se de ehunu no Kevin akwala bi wanyini ehunu se de ehunu no tamu a wo share wo show na se no You have done a lot. You have done a lot. Now, only katachie nya fight. There's no more or less fight. This is not fight, right? I mean, fun to say exchange of words, and that's all. You are both a good citizens of Ghana. In the first na katachie ye adwuma o Angel FM no. Na obahye no. Ugina katachie top. E bahye na ma obeye te se wo mu ba. But katachie na hu ne nei no nya sa na ote you. Wanyini we university spiritually. Na de hu na nwanwa ne say Kevin unam nsuom. Unam nsuom. Tieni sisi a me no kasa sisi en unam nsuom. Ana katachie enam mframam. Katachie na anim asem a menkan min twantro. Unam nsuom. I really like what you people are doing, right? And I mean chaso. Well, me kawe we are min kabi. Kevin, wadaroma unam nsuom. Na ensuo bia so no you can control it. Ensuo bia you can control it. Ensuo bia wa limit. But mframa de you can't control mframa because uni baby mframa wo. Okatechie free for a private issue. Now so me catcher say okatechie free for a tetchere manam mframam. Na ho odin gina mframam. E na wo so ho odin egina nsuo. Na mframa wa ho odin che nsuo. Mframa wa ho odin che nsuo. Okay, I think Exodus chapter 14 verse 19 to 21 I'll be said the Uradi Nyankopon de mframa etia nsuo. Me kan kire o say Uradi de mframa ebetia. Nenso me kan kire o say katete free fa. Wakopunu no ho. Oye payini, oye ohene. Wow, let me take it that way. Wapunu no ho a ne techere ma entua na hum. Ne techere ma na mframam. Maintain katachie free for ba me kire o say said the odi wa adwene ye o say katachie te se first na otiatia no eye say wa nko school ni ade no ma me nka no kronchiro ye wura katachie si say wa fa ho adwene afi wa be hu agro no so nti wono so wakopunu no ho the katachie you have Kevin so person utimi gina game ni mu dia ene also so show spiritual side ni ye because e you weak we nsuo ana ono ye mframa katachia tafri bbb any in private life. I'm sorry I don't want to go deep, but Kevin wadaroma mental but work on yourself. Yes sir, you lose it totally. Kevin Taylor, work on yourself. Akwan wa dem frama na eba. Oya obe how pa yi. If you say katachie, ona mframam, ono oya we so ona mframam oya we. Kevin mental. And I'm in town bia. I am a friend. Work on yourself. Kevin Taylor, work on yourself, okay? Work on yourself. I know you are brilliant, a very intelligent person. But this time around, it's not about intelligence. It's not about what you have. It's about what you can do in the realms of the spirit. And who are you in the realms of the spirit? Keteche has transcended to a different dimension. What them from and nam na uye nsuo Kevin uye nsuo. Kevin Taylor, we nsuo. Why? U control nsuo ye, u burn nsuo ye, u betimi aye ni bibi. But mframa de, untimi control mframa. Ene ono so adwane. Ede ne techerema akosi mframa mu. Nti otewo no one atia frama ne nam. Katachie ya we, sa asema odifo ne kan no kore. Katachie ene atia frama ne nam. Oni atia frama ne nam. Katachie wonyeja. Katachie nyeja oye mframa. Nti baby owo bia no, baby awo bi obetimi ato awo. Eno nkyere se me nka se Kevin, work on yourself, okay? Kevin, work on yourself. Now you nsuo. First no na katachie afrifa na katachie otia konya so let me give him that respect. First na uhunu agro no so odi nani ena na odi yedidi. But she say na dwane to me. Oni atia frama na nam enye easy sa so be kanato. Kevin Taylor, work on yourself. Yes, sir. Don't think say you can bring that guy down just like that. I am from into yenchim from TNU yenchim from I was yachim from mother. One or tears as you was waiting about him from Kevin went to be chim from into work on yourself. Work on yourself. Work on yourself. I know so bit me work on yourself. Work on yourself. She say intellectualism be mu. And yet the was you de do a and yet the all fact and yet the all evidence. And I man your secretary or two viewers no to see or you see. Me mau just 91 days and now me no can say. Me no kasa ne ya me no kasa me ma Kevin Taylor just 91 days. So obi say asema make am boa katechi free for di be for babia everywhere babia if you say or the touch them akofam from am e tumi a wagye foforo o de asini touch them so nti enye easy sa. Eddie Kevin, do something about it or work on yourself. Me pe mo asem Ghana formula team you mu di agrosi anu mani age. Me chiachia mu nyina I was not supposed to come on live. I was not supposed to call on live. Okay? Sorry, I was not supposed to come on live. Today happens to be Wednesday and it's not part of me. But I decided to give you people this tip off. So you Kennedy, work on yourself. Now I'm here dorsal. Or how na nam kwan mu ba ne dorsal. What yankrophobia be na so. Me nkasa wo ye bone for there be. But you say adwuma na wo ye no, a very dangerous, a sensitive position. And to work on yourself. IGP dampare me chia wo ne wo yere. I know say you made a lot of mistakes, but well, it will be a lesson. Oma bye. I don't think more person mu nyini che. Na mo person mo kra ye den. Okay, mami nyai next time no ma catch them. Oma bye. Why? Me town obi a o. We ana me kasa e me di obi atem. Me ba jo me di obi atem ana. Me chidifo me di obi atem. Me di obi atem. Me di obi atem. Ni ye na me pe. Se o man no say ya, e be affect me no miru. I mean, I'll do my channel Thursday. You will share Ryme TV. Meet me there. Mama, person, we yet ding or cry yet ding. Obi antimi nchante obi Okay, well, I'll get my time. I'll get my time and talk to you. If you didn't come on, why? You're a mama. My baby show come me, your friend OPATAFUOR. You're a mama, the current president of Ghana. Me pesa unya 91 days. Ewo akunya no so ansa no mabehye wonkom. Yes, I will be back as a buy a cronia, but so me and son I didn't come share tata and timber out 91 days. I doubt be 91 days with a pair, Pesadana and my baby show common. What I say on the 7th of April. No matter hintasim in a show, and young hintasam bonny. My baby catch row, a kunyana will be din. The ABC, any day they see what Ghana, and what Ghana, a man you see Ghana. I'll touch on 4 topics, and me show uncle. Me show come after man your 7. Me show come after wa mamu ni economy no. Ma chire o agriculture sector. Enti de besie no. Me chia mu nyina. Akra akra be yi mu bi aba mu. Bye bye.